Good morning friends, welcome to Parnika's Tutorials YouTube channel. In this video, I want to discuss the pseudo code for counting the number of internal nodes. Before writing this internal node pseudo code, I will discuss what is a binary tree. Then I will discuss how to count the number of internal nodes. Then I will write the pseudo code. Then I will trace the pseudo code with an example. So I request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. Can you tell me what is a binary tree? If you know the answer, please write the answer in the comment section. What is a binary tree? A binary tree is a tree where each node consists of at most two children. Now let's take this node A. It is having two children B and C, and this is having two children D and E, and it is having a single child F. Now if you look at here, this is having two children, this is having two children, this is having one child, and this D, E, F does not have any childs. So I can call this D, E, F are called as leaf nodes. Okay, let me write here. D, E, F will be called as leaf nodes. Am I right or wrong? And A, B, C are called as internal nodes. The nodes, let me discuss here after writing. The nodes other than the leaf nodes, suppose if you look at here, we have totally 6 nodes in this binary tree such as A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, once you got the leaf nodes, the nodes other than the leaf nodes will be called as internal nodes. Now, in this one, A, B, C are the internal nodes. So, I hope you have understood how to identify the internal node. Now, how many internal nodes are there? 3 internal nodes are there. So, I need to write a generalized pseudocode to count the number of internal nodes for any binary tree. Maybe some intelligent students or those who have watched my 2 previous videos, they can say that, sir, in one video you have discussed how to write the pseudocode for counting the number of nodes, and another one you have discussed how to write the pseudocode for counting the number of leaf nodes. So, we will write the recursive pseudocode for counting the number of nodes, and we will write the pseudocode for counting the number of leaf nodes. Then from the total number of nodes, if I subtract the leaf nodes, I will get the internal nodes. Even that is also correct. But if you do it, you have to write the pseudocode for the number of nodes and pseudocode for the counting the number of leaf nodes. Then you have to subtract. If you can write it directly, why can't you write directly instead of writing this much? Am I right or wrong? Okay, so let me write the pseudocode directly for counting the number of internal nodes. Okay, this function need to return an integer value. So int internal nodes. So write count internal, okay, node star root. I need to open the function if root is equal to null, or this is a logical or operator. Okay, root of left is equal to null, and root of right is equal to null. Look at this one. This is my condition 1. This is my condition 2. This entire part, this from this open braces to this closed braces, this is my condition 2. Now, when this condition will be true, any one of the condition is true, C1 or C2. If any one is true, because it is a logical operator, this condition will be true. If both are false, then only this condition will be failed. So, let me close the another braces because I have opened here so that it will be syntactically correct. Okay. Now I need to return 0. Else I need to return 1 plus count internal. By this time you would have known it. What I will write here? I will write here root of left, because I need to do the left subtree, count internal. Now I need to count the number of internal nodes in the right subtree. Okay, is it clear? Then I will close this function. Now this is the pseudo code for counting the number of internal nodes. Now let me trace this program with this binary tree and we will see whether we are getting the correct answer or wrong. Okay, we should get the answer as 3, but let's see whether we are getting it or not. Now to make you understand, let me take the address here as 100, 200, 300, because each node will have the address. This is 400, this is 500, and this is 600. If I represent this one, this binary tree, either using the arrays or using the linked list, we can represent the binary tree. Now as we are doing the pseudo code, we need to represent using the linked list, and that to double linked list. What it will consist of? Double linked list will consist of 3 elements. One is the address of the previous node, data, address of the next node. Now address of the previous node will consist of address of the left child, address of the next node will consist of the address of the right child. Is it clear? Suppose if I take the only element A, will have the data 100, and here it will have the value 200, here it will have the value 300, because its left child address is 200, its right child address is 300. Okay, are you able to understand it or not? Now whenever we are writing the pseudo code and we are tracing, it will start from the root node, which is A. Now whose value is 100, so this root value is now 100. Root is equal to null. This is the condition I need to check. 100 is equal to null. No, this condition is false. Okay, let me check it. We will check whether this condition will be true or not. Root of left, 100 left is 200, 100 right is 300. So they are not equal to null. Even this condition is false. If both the conditions are false, then entire condition will be false. Then I will come to the else part. Else part will be what? 1 plus count internal nodes. Let me write in shortcut as Ci. Root of left, 100 left is 200, plus root of right, Ci. Root of right is 100, right is 300. Are you able to understand? Now the function will execute with value as 200. So let me write the Ci 200, count internal nodes 200. So now the root value is 200 here, which is not equal to null. Again this condition is false. Now root of left means 200 left is 400. Again this one is false. 200 right, which is 500, which is false. So now again these two conditions are false. Again I will come to the else block. Okay, let me write this entire one, then only it is correct. Okay, return 1 plus, okay, count internal nodes, okay, root of left, now it is 200, 200 left is 400, now 200 right is 500. Am I right or wrong? So now I need to execute Ci, count internal nodes with value 400. Now here it is 400. So this is false. Now come to this one. 400 left is null because this is a leaf node. So this is true. Okay. And root of right, 400 right is also null because it does not have any right child. So now these two are true. So now true and true, logical AND operator, both these conditions should be true. That's why I am verifying here, because here we have a logical AND. Now this and this is true. So then entire this part is true. This condition C2 is true. Sorry. This is condition C2 is true. So if this is false and this is true, then this is a logical OR operator. Any one condition is true, then this entire condition will be true. Then it will return the value 0. Are you able to understand? So you got count internal nodes value as 0. Are you able to understand? Plus count internal nodes, okay, with value 500, what will happen? Again same thing will happen. Check it. Okay, you are getting the value here is 500. So this is false. Root of left, 500 left is null. So this is true. 500 right is null, so this is true. So this condition is true if any one condition is true between C1 and C2. As it is a logical operator, this entire condition will be true and it will return the value 0. So you got count internal nodes 500 will return the value as 0. So it is 1 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 1. So this function will return me the value 1. Now we will execute the count internal nodes with value 300. Now let's see what will happen. Count internal nodes 300. Let's see. Now the root value is 300. So 300 is not equal to null. So this is false. Now 300 left is equal to null because it does not have the left child. So this is true. Now root of right, 300 right is 600, which is not equal to null. So this is false. Now if you see that this is true and this is false, now this is a logical AND operator. If any one is false, this will be, entire one will be false. So here it is false, here it is false. So this entire condition will be false. It will come to the else block, which is equal to 1 plus count internal nodes root of left, which is 300 left is null, plus count internal nodes 300 right, which is 600. Are you able to understand it or not? Okay. Now we need to execute count internal nodes with null. So now this is true. If this is true, I no need to verify what will happen with this part. Am I right? Because any one is true, then this entire condition will be true because it is logical OR operator. So it will return the value 0. Plus Ci, count internal nodes with 600. So here you will get 600. Now 600 is not equal to null. This will be false. Now 600 left, because it is a leaf node, it does not have any left child. So it will have the value null. So this is true. And this is also true. Now this true and this true, then this entire condition will be true. If this false, also because this is true, it is a logical operator, any one condition is true, this entire condition will be true and it will return the value 0. Are you able to understand it or not? So this is 1 plus 0 plus 0, it will return the value 1. So count internal nodes 300 will return me the value 1. Now if you look at here, we already have 1 plus count internal nodes 200 is returning the value 1. Count internal nodes 300 is returning the value 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So I got the number of internal nodes is 3 for this binary tree with this pseudocode. Check it, how many internal nodes are there? D, E, F are the leaf nodes, A, B, C are the internal nodes. So for this binary tree, the number of internal nodes is 3, so it is correct. If you have still any doubts regarding this pseudocode, you take another binary tree and you trace it and you check it whether you are getting the correct number of internal nodes or not. If you are facing any problem or if you are not getting the exact number of internal nodes, feel free to ask the doubts in the comment section. I will always there to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.